Hello, welcome to my channel Pulkit Pedia Step by Step Learning. Today we are going to discuss about Python data type tuple and its operations. So basically what is tuple? As we have discussed list in previous videos. So list is like collection of elements. Okay. Same way tuple is also another form of list. The difference of between tuple and list is that tuple is a constant list. So once you assign a element, we cannot change it. So tuple is also used in various way where you predefined a tuple or a constant list and then you use in a various places in the programming. So how to define a tuple? The same way we need to take in a variable name, then equal to sign, then in the round braces we provide the elements, and in each element we put the comma. So we can define a string or a number or integer or any sublist in between them. So I'll showcase you some more example in the spider id. Let's move to spider. Here you can see that I had defined in an empty tuple, like t is an empty tuple, so I had not passed any argument in this. Okay, so let's run it. So it is coming as an empty tuple. Okay, next is I have defined tuple as an integer, so all the integers in the tuple 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm just printing it out as passing it in a into print function. So you can see that this integer tuple is printed out. So you can have a tuple with mixed data types. Like you can see that I had kept as a tuple name as a mixed tuple, and I provided an integer string in between and a float variable or integer with a decimal value. So just printing it out the mixed tuple. So here you can see the mixed tuple value. So it has printed out the same way, number, string, and then decimal integer. You can have a nested tuple also. Nested tuple means that tuple which will have like string, inside that a list, inside that another tuple. So you can have a tuple containing other list as well as tuple itself. So you can see the output of this nested tuple Pulkit Pedia, and then that list and then a tuple. To access an element in the tuple, you can use the index value. As we discussed earlier, that in computers we use the index from 0, and in general life we use the index from 1 2 3 4. If you count anything, we count 1 2 3 4. In computers we start from 0. So in nested tuple, what it at 0 place, you can see that it has printed as Pulkit Pedia at 0 place. Okay, and at the 1 place, that it has printed the 1 2 3 list. At second place, it has printed at 4 5 6 a tuple. Okay, as we can do the slicing concept in list, same slicing concept we can use here in tuple also. As slicing, I can quickly give you introduction again, that it has three element. One is start, one second is stop, and third is step. So like this is a tuple. Okay, I had printed a tuple t which we taken in the beginning. So slice, we are just giving in a start element, that print the start element 1 and up to 3. So you can see the tuple is 1 2 3 4 5. So how it has done the slicing. So it has just taken this, as I told you, that it will start from 0 1. So it has taken the first element and second element and third one, because the stop element will not be considered. So 2 and 3 will be the slicing element. Okay, how to reverse a list or reverse a tuple? The same way, that you just provide the -1 increment value as a -1 or the step as a -1, then you will get the reverse of the tuple or a list. So here you can see that this list or tuple, you can see, is reversed here. Okay, now you want to reverse it by incrementing to two steps. So you can see the initial was 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we are in going in reverse order, but increment step is 2. So first step is 5, so it is not including the next one, it is including the next to next. So third, so okay, after third it is not including the second, it is including the first. So this will be the reverse with the -2 increment step. How to know whether how many time particular number occurred in the tuple? So you can use a count function. So I just given a 2, so it has given me 1. That count is occurred once inside the tuple, like here. And if you want to know the index of any element or any number, so you can just pass a call as a tuple dot index function and just pass in a index value means number, it will return the index. For example, we have passed the value as 4 and it has given us as an index 3, so we can say 0 1 2 3. 3 is the index value of it, as we told that it starts from 0. So this is quick recap. Tuple is also like in a list, it's just a constant list, and same way we can do all the slicing operation and other operation in the tuple also. The difference is list starts with the square brackets, list is defined with the square brackets, tuple is defined with the this round brackets. Okay, thanks for watching my video. uh, Stay connected, keep learning. Thanks.